I made a horror game in 1 hour called Sussy Schoolgrounds, and you guys really, really liked it for some strange reason. So today, we're gonna be making the sequel to Sussy Schoolgrounds with a brand new terrifying monster and a new map to explore. But this time, I'm challenging fellow game developer Aya to a horror game competition. We each have 2 hours to see who can make the better horror game, and the loser's game will be deleted forever. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you do like it, because we are so close to 100K subscribers. I am definitely about to make a big mistake. The next person who speaks is gonna be a loser.
Hello. So do you have any idea? Have you thought of anything?
Let's just say I was born ready for this, Aya. As soon as I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, get ready to lose!
Good luck. Screw you. Last time our monster was Sussy Wussy, an absolute icon, but we need to top Sussy Wussy somehow, and I'm out of ideas. So how about we take a look at the Sussy Schoolgrounds fandom for inspiration? Yes, that exists. This is perfect. Sussy Schoolgrounds Part 2 prediction.
Among Us so basically a gorilla. Not a monkey, but a gorilla.
You heard the man. Let's get to work and create Munkus Lunkus. As you guys know, I'm a Blender expert, so this will not be an issue at all.
What do you mean he's looking at YouTube Shorts? For what? Is he extra confident?
He looks really handsome, I must say.
And how are we thinking? Looks kind of scary, right? It looks like a women's bath. Stop!
So now we need to make his big, muscular arms. We can use my arms as a reference image for a very big, muscular person. So that's kind of a little cheat code right there. All right, with our great reference image, this is Munkus Lunkus. Let's give Munkus Lunkus his chin, his wrists, elbows. Yeah, these are elbows, and the groin. If this model doesn't get properly rigged, we are basically out of the entire competition. What? It failed. Wait, we don't have time for this.
Okay, this should be good. So I think I'm gonna export this. How long did that take me? It's more 1/8 of my time. You're kidding, right? We're just gonna make their eyes glow red. Okay, too much.
Oh, it's working, it's working. Why does he look like this? We are so screwed. He's looking kind of cute when he walks like this. I mean, this is how you get jump scared. All right, there we go. We have Munkus Lunkus animated. Slay, dude. Munkus Lunkus is a queen. If you thought Sussy Wussy was huge, this is how big Munkus Lunkus is gonna be. I am terrified of Munkus Lunkus. Oh my gosh. The environment, he said, is a school. I guess we should start off by importing our brand new school package that we totally made ourselves. All right, so now let's make some walls. So I'm gonna just be very resourceful here. I'm gonna take this, I'll make it not a wall, and let's rotate this. Now we have an indoor room. And if you look to your left over here, you'll see, a little dude. So now, I'm gonna add some textures to these desks, place them around, and try and build up a classroom. There we go, the blackboard. Now we have the map. You can walk around the map. This desk fell down. There's a lot of desks.
Just making the, like a hallway here. Okay, so we can see our game view over here. The plan is that I want to do sort of like a Simon Says horror game. You basically have to get to the end of a hallway, but you have to stop. Yeah, kind of like red light, green light. Yep.
All right, the gameplay. Let's be real. Horror games do not care for a second about gameplay. So goodbye, gameplay. I said this last time. We'll just throw in some stupid puzzle or something. That's what they all do. We need to collect something. We just hide 8 things across the map. Yeah, you have to collect them. What should be? Bananas? So to complete the environment, I'm just gonna pick some better spots for these banana bundles. Put one on the desk, behind the teacher's desk, under the floor. What the? Under the desk. This map kind of sucks, actually. What else is in a classroom? Like, I don't know if this will work. I like that. I like that. I like that. We have 30 minutes. Okay, we actually have to make a jump scare and stuff. Okay, wait. I'm scared. I'm scared. So fortunately, it's pretty similar to Sussy Wussy's jump scare. And as you can tell, his teeth are incredibly distorted. So what I need to do is delete his entire head. I'm gonna take his head from here. I'm gonna put it onto Munkis's head. Now he moves without his head being crazily distorted. Oh gosh. When you get close to him, this is what's gonna happen. But we also need to make sound effects. Audio is very important for a horror game, so gotta channel my inner gorilla. Monkus, 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 monkus. Sorry. Monkus, monkus. Oh God, we have 5 minutes.
Okay, let's do some audio really quick.
Simon says go. Stop.
Okay, guys, I didn't touch anything. I didn't touch anything at all. Let's give Aya a call and check out the game that he made.
I need more time, Polly. You're cheating. You gave me a virus in the files that you sent me before we started.
The only virus here is your attitude.
What do you mean?
I'll give you 15 minutes just to delay you losing a little bit longer.
Okay, I gotta go. I've never worked this fast in my whole life.
Should we add anything else? We have like 10 minutes, I think. I have an idea for deep lore. Mr. Lunkus's geometry class. I don't know if you guys are catching my drift here with this lore, but that means that Munkus Lunkus used to be a teacher. Aya, the cheater, has finished his game.
Oh, fudge.
It's time for the ultimate reactions to each other's games. What is this? I'm actually scared.
Simon says stop.
Oh, it's like Squid Game.
Go.
Did you beat it?
I don't know.
Are you scared?
I'm just kind of confused. I'm gonna try this again. Simon says go. All right, I'm gonna walk now.
Stop.
All right, stop. I stopped.
Simon says go.
Okay, say go. Whenever you die, I think it breaks the game. Should I try and beat it? I don't know if it's possible.
I don't know if there is even a way to beat it, to be honest. I haven't gotten to the end.
It was a good effort, guys.
I think it was because you sabotaged me with a virus.
Okay, well, virus or not, I don't think the virus made your game like that, so. Is it time now for you to play Sussy Schoolgrounds Chapter 2?
Yeah, I think so. Do you have this GeForce Pro enabled for this?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know how like sometimes GeForce will optimize for certain games as they're like popular?
Oh, yeah, this game is, all the GeForces are on this game. It's really popular.
Press, what is this button?
You can try and find it. It's like a little horror game puzzle.
What the heck? Whoa, why is he walking through stuff? He's not very scary. He looks kind of cute.
It's scary. I don't know what you're talking about. It's scary.
Why is it? No, I'm stuck.
Oh, God. You're cutting it close.
I got it.
Yay.
Wait, why does it say Sussy Wutsu?
Okay, it was, okay. It's a metaphor. It's like a piece of lore. It's like, are they maybe the same person? Maybe it's like a spiritual transcendence where like he turned from a monkey into a gorilla because he got stronger after you defeated him in chapter 1 and maybe we've played Simon's Hallway and we've played Sussy Schoolgrounds chapter 2. Who created the better horror game? The entire Twitch chat is made up of Sussy Schoolground stands, so this is actually a very unbiased poll. Good game, good game.
No! You win some, and sometimes the person you're playing against cheats, so, you know.